Hey guys, welcome back. Today on Cooking with Jen, I'm going to show you how to make an easy breakfast recipe, sweet plantain, apple and bacon hash. So let's get started. So first I'm going to add in some cut bacon in a non-stick pan over medium heat, and I'm going to stir it until the bacon turns brown and crisp. Then add in one small chopped onion and one clove of garlic which was crushed. Season with a pinch of salt for now and stir till the onion appears slightly translucent. So guys, I have written out the full ingredients in the description box in YouTube, so make sure you check that out for the full written recipe. Then I'm going to add in chopped green bell pepper, stir for a minute, and then add in the sweet plantains and one small apple. Season with some salt, pepper, and a pinch of thyme. Cook for about 2 minutes or till the apple is soft but still has that crunchy texture. Then turn off your heat because our easy brunch hash is now ready to serve. Since this is a brunch for us, I'm going to serve it with a delicious sunny side up egg right on the top. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up so I know that you did. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet to see more videos. Until next time guys, bye bye.